Hello and welcome. Let's get right into something incredibly powerful today. There's a truth, so simple yet so profound, that once you understand it, your life will never be the same. You see, everything you experience, everything you perceive around you, comes from one source. It's all part of the same thing. It's all you. Yes, you are the creator of your own reality. This is not a concept that's difficult to grasp once you let go of the limitations you've built up over time. But most people walk around believing that life is something external to them, something they must adjust to, rather than realizing it's something they are constantly shaping. Nothing but God. There is no other power. There is no other force. The world as you see it is your reflection, and every circumstance, every situation, every moment of your life has been drawn into your experience by your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. The reason you might feel stuck or powerless in any area of your life is because you haven't yet fully realized the truth of this. Your world, your circumstances, are the mirror image of your inner self. You may ask, but how can I possibly be the creator of everything? Look at the problems I face. The answer is simple. The problems you face are not caused by something outside of you, they are reflections of your inner state, your beliefs, and your thoughts. To change your circumstances, you must first change the way you think and feel about yourself and the world around you. The external world is nothing but a reflection of your inner world. When you begin to understand this, you gain control. It is no longer about struggling to change the outside world. Instead, it becomes a process of transforming yourself from the inside out. Your life, your reality, is simply the sum of your beliefs. If you change your beliefs, you change your world. Think about it. If you've ever had a moment where you doubted your worth, your value, your ability to achieve something, the circumstances around you seemed to reflect that doubt, didn't they? If you doubted yourself, the world mirrored that doubt. But when you truly believed in your power, when you felt confident, when you saw yourself as capable and worthy, the world around you began to reflect that belief. This is the essence of manifesting your desires. Manifestation is not some mystical power you need to learn how to use. It's simply the natural process of your inner state shaping the world around you. Every thought, every feeling, every image you hold in your mind creates your reality. The more clearly you see yourself as the creator of your world, the more your external world will align with your desires. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start seeing myself as the creator? How do I begin to shape my reality? The answer is simple. You begin by recognizing that everything you see and experience is born from within you. To change what's outside, you must first change what's within. It all starts with your awareness. The moment you become aware of your power, you begin to see that there's nothing outside of you that can hold you back. You realize that your true nature is divine, and that all you need to do is connect with that higher power within you. The key is to stop seeing yourself as separate from the world around you. The idea of separation is an illusion. There is no separation. You are one with all that is. You are God, and God is you. When you begin to see yourself as the creator, the limits you once believed were in place begin to dissolve. You no longer feel the weight of the world on your shoulders because you understand that you have the power to change anything, to transform anything. There is no situation that is beyond your control. There is no challenge that is too great for you to overcome. The power lies within you, always has, always will. But you must first believe it. You must first see that there is nothing outside of you that is controlling your life. Every experience you have, every emotion, every event, is the result of your inner state of being. This is why it's so important to cultivate a positive, powerful, and loving mindset. When you align yourself with these higher vibrations, you attract experiences that reflect them. This is not about pretending that challenges don't exist. It's about seeing those challenges from a new perspective. When you understand that you are the creator, you begin to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of being overwhelmed by obstacles, you look for ways to overcome them, knowing that you have the strength and ability to rise above any difficulty. Everything you need is already within you. You don't need to seek external validation, approval, or support. The source of all power is within you. When you accept this truth, you begin to experience life differently. You stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances and start seeing yourself as the creator, the one in control of your destiny. Your thoughts are the seeds from which your reality grows. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, you will reap a harvest of struggle and hardship. But if you plant seeds of faith, love, and abundance, you will begin to see a world of limitless possibilities unfolding before you. The choice is yours. It is time to take responsibility for your life. Stop blaming the world, your circumstances, or other people for your struggles. You are the one who has created your reality, and you are the one who can change it. This is the most empowering realization you can have. Once you recognize your role as the creator, everything shifts. You no longer feel powerless. You feel powerful, capable, and in control. You may be thinking, but I don't know how to change my thoughts. I don't know how to control my mind. That's okay. It's a process, not an overnight transformation. But the first step is always awareness. The moment you become aware of your thoughts and how they shape your reality, you begin to take back control. The more you practice redirecting your thoughts, the easier it becomes to create the life you want. Begin by focusing on what you desire, rather than what you fear. Shift your thoughts from lack to abundance, from limitation to possibility. The more you focus on the positive, the more you will attract positive experiences into your life. Remember, you are not a passive observer in your life. You are the creator. The world is not happening to you. It is happening because of you. When you realize this, everything changes. You stop waiting for something or someone to change your life. You realize that the power to change your life has always been within you. The secret to real power lies in your ability to master your inner world. It is not about trying to control the outside world but understanding that everything outside of you is an extension of what is happening within you. If you want to shift your experiences, start by shifting your perception. The change starts with you, what you think, what you believe, and how you feel about yourself and the world around you. This process isn't about forcing things into being. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of your true self, which is limitless and boundless. When you focus on the inner self, the outside world starts to fall into alignment with that energy. This alignment comes naturally. When you think with clarity, love, and conviction, the circumstances and events around you will eventually reflect that same clarity. But, this process requires patience. You can't rush the law of creation. It operates on its own time, guided by your constant and unwavering belief. The more you align your thoughts with your desires, the quicker they will manifest. However, it's important to avoid any sense of urgency or anxiety about the process. The universe operates without haste, in a flow of perfect timing. So, let go of the need to control or rush. Trust in the process and allow things to unfold as they should. When you surrender to the natural flow, everything will manifest in its perfect time. Once you understand the relationship between your inner world and your external reality, life begins to take on a different tone. You no longer see obstacles as permanent. You no longer see setbacks as signs of failure. Instead, every moment becomes a chance for growth, learning, and transformation. The more you realize that you are the one who holds the power to shape your life, the more you will step into that power. Know this, you are limitless. There is nothing that can stand in your way once you realize the truth of who you are. You are not separate from God. You are not separate from the universe. You are one with it all. And once you recognize this, once you accept this truth, you begin to create the life you desire with ease and grace. So, stop looking outside of yourself for answers. Look within. You are the key to your own freedom. You are the creator of your reality. There is nothing but God, and God is you. If you found this message to be valuable, please show your support. Hit the like button so others can benefit from it too. Your like is a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you can continue to hear more empowering messages that will guide you on your path. Your subscription isn't just a click, it's a commitment to stepping into your own power. Each video you watch is a step closer to aligning with your highest self. It's a step closer to the life you've always dreamed of.